So hi everyone, so we are back with another video. So in this video what we are going to do is, we are going to download Spring Tool Suite. So to download Spring Tool Suite, so you need to go to Google and then type Spring Tool Suite download. So if you see there is one website spring.io. Yeah, you click on this. So click on here. So after you click on here, my operating system is Windows and it's a 64-bit. So once I click on that, a jar file is getting downloaded. So the file size is around 582 MB. So we need to wait until that jar file is downloaded. So this is the site, so where you can download the Spring Tool Suite, the spring.io. So there are a lot of tabs are there here: learn, projects, training, support. So you can go through this, and we are waiting for the jar file to be downloaded. So yeah, hi everyone, the jar file got downloaded, so now we'll extract that file. So right click on this, open with, click on Enter Archiver. So right click on this, extract to a specific folder, open. So it's getting extracted. So here is the folder. Now right click, open with WinRAR Archiver. Not like that, right click, extract all, extract. So the contents folder, so I can skip. So it's getting extracted, contents folder. So as of now it's 10% complete. So if you see, so this is our icon, Spring Tool Suite icon. So we need to double click on this once everything is getting extracted. So okay, for the Spring Tool Suite to get working, you need to have JDK has to be installed, and you need to set the path. Okay, then the Spring Tool Suite will recognize the path and it will open. So as of now it is 32% of contents folder, it is getting extracted. So hey everyone, so that Spring Tool Suite got extracted successfully. So after that, what you can see is this green color icon, which is something written over it like Spring Tool Suite 4. Yeah, double click on this and then you can see some window is popping up and is asking for you to select the workspace. So workspace where we can develop our projects. So it is nothing but the location where all the projects, whatever you develop, those will be created. So you can launch. So the Spring Tool Suite has opened successfully. So that's it for this video, and we'll be back with more videos. Thank you.